Okay, let's go. Subscribe to my channel.
What's up everyone, my name is Urban Sayed and welcome back to a new vlog. So right now I'm at my grandma's place which is in Mirja near Gokarna, and I just had got a call from my friends. Hello Nagozain. Okay, so yeah, I had got a call from my friends stating that we are going somewhere to a viewpoint. Actually, it's going to be an interesting vlog, so you stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to be till the end of the vlog. And I hope you will enjoy this vlog, and do share this to your friends, your family, and do subscribe to my channel, and show some love and support. Yeah, so alright, let's go.
A few moments later.
See you soon.
Look at this place, guys. Look at the road. Halluja, halluja, halluja.
Right, so our journey has begun, so please stay tuned till the end. This is gonna be a very interesting vlog.
So you have a bus. Yelavalli Kumta. क्या बोला? हाँ थोड़ा रुक. Natural water, guys, coming from the grounds. Oh, crazy. अबे आगे नहीं है जगह फिर. Look at the place. Wow. Look at this place, guys. Look at the view. So peaceful, guys. So peaceful. MashaAllah. There is a house here. Oh, crazy. Look at this. It's hill. पानी क्या आवाज आ रहा है ना यहाँ कहाँ से? नीचे पानी है. और अफरीद क्या बोलते हैं? बोल बात कर. Hey, hey, Bo. Yes, what's up? आ जाओ जुगाड़. घर भी है इधर सब. इतने अंदर घर कहाँ बंदे रहे नो. वाओ. Kiran, how's the Josh? Hi, sir. So guys, this is the water supply towards the farm, towards the agricultural land of those villages here. This is like a natural tree wood which they have used to make this pipeline. So this is the beauty of nature. Aha, so peaceful, guys, so peaceful. Guys, look at the houses. So they may not have this 5G networks nor any technologies or anything as such, but like the life what they live here is more peaceful than what we live in the cities. Trust me, guys. They might not have a TV nor any dish setup like Tata Sky or anything as such, but then the life is very peaceful. Look at this place. Look at this hut. So they do not use all this these electric gases or anything as such, ovens. They don't have anything, guys, but like the life here is so peaceful, very peaceful, guys. So this is what I love as compared to cities. I always prefer villages with such a peaceful life where there is no 5G networks, but then our friends, who are there in your bad times. See, These all are my friends from my grandma's place. And look at this view. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this view. MashaAllah. So green. Peak. Oh guys, so it's time to end the vlog here. Finally. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. So do subscribe my channel. Share this vlog to all of your friends. And do comment in regards to how was this vlog and what I can do to improve this. So yes, and if you want to know this place, just drop a comment on the WhatsApp. Sorry, not on the WhatsApp, on this video. So I'll just share you this place. I actually do not know which is this place, but then I'll ask my friends and let you know. Yeah, it's very hot here, guys, but then so I just have to end the vlog here. Alright, so thank you so much for supporting my channel and motivating me. I have few friends, especially I have one of my friend who is Mohit. So thank you so much. Keep supporting and I'll be coming up with a good vlogs. So see you all. Bye bye.